To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. The word the can be pronounced in two different ways. The way it's pronounced depends on the letter that follows. If it's a consonant, we pronounce it as the. If it's a vowel, we pronounce it as the. Let's look at some examples. The plus a consonant. When the word the is followed by a consonant, we pronounce it as the. The cat. The letter C is a consonant. The table. The letter T is a consonant. The bottle. The letter B is a consonant. The house. The letter H is a consonant. The shop. The letter S is a consonant. When the is followed by a vowel, it's pronounced as the. The apple. The letter A is a vowel. The egg. The letter E is a vowel. The insect. The letter I is a vowel. The orange. The letter O is a vowel. The umbrella. The letter U is a vowel.